being in that class and surrounded by people who had all these educated opinions, I was like, wow, like, I think I found my people. I knew that this program was very well known. It was one of a kind. And I knew that being in Ottawa was going to have a huge advantage. PAPM also offers a co-op option, and that was kind of a big attraction for me as a student, was knowing that I could come to Carleton and have this co-op opportunity. I find PAPM attracts a very wide variety of people with a wide variety of interests, and I find myself also wanting to be smarter and more passionate and want to learn more because I'm surrounded by all these people who are pushing me to be better. I'm from Toronto, where like U of P is spread out across the whole city, and that was not totally appealing to me. So I appreciate that like the library, classes, res, and athletics are all in the same vicinity. Like our campus is full of nature. Like we have the canal, we have the river, and we have lots of green spaces, especially in like fall and spring. Like they're nice to go outside and study. Looking at the first year courses, you got to take econ, you got to take history, you got to take politics, and you got to take public policy. And for me, who like someone who loves learning, I was like, oh my God, this like opportunity to try so many different things and for it to all kind of work together to create this degree, I was sold on the spot. So if you're thinking about coming to PAPM and you're unsure at the moment, I'd recommend just jumping in feet first and just seeing what it's like.